Hello children, today in this video we are going to discuss about creating tables in HTML. Tables are extremely popular on the web because they are flexible and attractive way of presenting information. Tables display text in easier way which enables presentation of complex data that is difficult in paragraph form. Tables are useful in presenting data to the end user in an organized way. A table consists of rows and columns. We all know one table means rows and columns. Tables start from the top left, then across the cells of the first row, then to the second row, across the cell of the second row, and so on. Now let's see in a table what is column, what is rows, and what is cell. Columns, data organized in vertical format. Rows, data organized in horizontal format. And a cell is the intersection between a row and the column in a table. Hope you understood. Column means data organized in vertical format. Rows means data organized in horizontal format, and a cell is the intersection between a row and a column. The concept of tables find extensive use in our daily lives as in calendar, timetable, attendance register, and so on. So in HTML we are using mainly 3 different tags to create a table. First one is table tag. Inside the angle bracket, table. A table is created with table and closing table tag. And table row. To create a table row, we are using tr tag and closing tr tag. And if we want to give the contents inside the table, we are using the tag td, table data. TD and /T are used to specify the contents of the cell. So now let's see one example from your textbook. Starting with HTML. Then to create a table, we are giving first table tag. Starting row using tr tag. In first row, the content is cell number 1. That cell number 1 data or table content we are giving inside the td tag and closing td tag. Again the second data is cell number 2. Again we are giving that particular data inside the td tag and closing td tag. Then my first row is over, closing tr, table row. Again I need to start the second row. tr tag, again open the tr tag. Content is cell number 3 and cell number 4 is inside the td tag. My second row is over, then close the tr tag. Again I am creating only 2 rows in my present table, /table /html. This is one example. Type in your notepad and check the output. In this example, we are creating only a format of table. You can see in this no borders for your table. So to create a border, we need to use different tags. That tag we'll discuss in the next video.